Hi, I'm Miss Emma from St. Mary's County Library. Look at all the colorful leaves on the trees here. You know, I think that my friend Little Bird is hiding behind one of them. Do you think that you can help me find her? Well, first, let's go over all of the colors of the trees so that you can shout out the color of the tree you think she's hiding behind. What color is this tree? It's brown. What color is this tree? It's yellow. What color is this tree? It's green. What color is this tree? It's orange. What color is this tree? It's red. All right, now can you pick the tree that you think that Little Bird is behind? Can you shout it for me? All right, I think I heard green. Little bird, are you behind the green tree? What do you think? Not behind that one. Where should I look next? I heard someone say orange. Little bird, are you behind the orange tree? Not behind that one. Where should I look next? I heard yellow. Little bird, are you behind the yellow tree? Nope, not there either. All right, where should I look next? Red, okay. Little bird, are you behind the red tree? Not there either. Where do you think Little Bird is hiding? The brown tree? Let's find out. Little bird, are you behind the brown tree? Let's see. There she is! We found her. Good job.